This was a significant victory for the Duchess of Sussex in an increasingly bitter dispute, with the Court of Appeal rejecting attempts by the Mail on Sunday to take their privacy battle to trial. It prompted an extraordinary statement from the Duchess, taking aim at the tabloid industry as a whole. While this win is precedent-setting, what matters most, she said, is that we are now collectively brave enough to reshape a tabloid industry that conditions people to be cruel and profits from the lies and pain that they create. Adding, these harmful practices don't happen once in a blue moon, they are a daily fail that divide us, and we all deserve better. She also accused the paper of deception, intimidation and calculated attacks, but some within the industry say change will be hard to come by.
Everyone thinks this sort of tabloid culture is something to do with our age. It's not. It's sort of 300 years of the British writing about the royal family and wondering about their relations, and how they get on with each other. That level of interest isn't going to go away.
The case centred on the publication of parts of a letter Meghan sent to her estranged father Thomas Markle in August 2018. She sued the paper's publisher for breach of privacy and copyright, with the High Court ruling in her favour without a trial. The Court of Appeal agreed based on how much of the letter was published.
Whilst it might have been proportionate to publish a very small part of the letter for that purpose, it was not necessary to publish half the contents of the 5-page letter as associated newspapers had done.
Evidence heard here last month that Meghan wrote that letter to her father in the knowledge that it could be leaked was seen as potentially explosive. But as it happened, the Court of Appeal said it found that new evidence to be of little assistance. It also disregarded the matter which prompted an apology from the Duchess for misleading the court. She forgot how information about her was passed to the authors of an unauthorised biography, the reporting of which privacy campaigners say is proof the press needs reforming.
There are deep problems here. This was never a story about the conduct of the Duchess, but the public was told it was a court case about the conduct of the Duchess. And that was dishonest from the start. That's why a lot of people might be surprised by this outcome.
But the legal battle may not be over yet. Associated Newspapers Limited say they're disappointed at the ruling and are considering an appeal to the Supreme Court. Ivor Bennett, Sky News.